Two HMOs next door to each other. What an exciting project. So, which one is this, Trisha? How did I take this one?
This is 8.
There's 8 in this.
8 with an ensuite.
Yeah, there's the one next door. The one with a massive extension right outside. That's already got it. It's an isolated flat that Trisha's awesome design is turning that into 2 other rooms.
And some communal.
So look at these. These are both 3-story. Is this 3-story as well? Yeah, so 3 stories, maximising the space, but with high quality for these people. I mean, check this out. This is a big old room. They've got massimised in there as well. There's the funky little designs that we do to create more shelves, more storage. What's this in here, Trisha?
So that's the smallest room in the house, which that's its built-in wardrobe. But then you've got its bathroom, which is so they're all en suite, but that's just got an off suite.
An off suite. En suite, off suite.
Yeah.
Is that the correct terminology?
So yeah, this will be
Which made that
the
up?
bathroom for
Oh,
that.
right, okay. And is anyone else showing that?
No.
Look at the size of this beast. You gotta love it, right? You gotta love it. So what we did actually, because we got both of these next door to each other, is we were upgrading them massively. I think some of them were paying so cheap rent. Is it true?
Yeah, like
Such
it's
cheap
sort of
rent.
loss. I don't get.
And also, this is like paying cash, like real old school. The guy's like
Yeah.
30.
Like there's a book that he writes in
Oh
your
my
manually.
goodness, it's so funny. So anyway, people who didn't want to comply with actual tenancy agreements, they just left. So we moved all the best tenants that wanted to stay in to that house next door while we refurb this one. Then we're going to give them the opportunity, if they wish to move into an upgraded version of where they were living. And then ones who take it, great. Others who don't, we're just going to start advertising to get the rooms filled. And then start refurbing that one. I mean, it's a fully functioning licensed HMO right now, bringing in rent, but we want to.
But it's disgusting.
Yeah, that's disgusting. And we want to upgrade it because our strategy and our mission is not just to give, a place to sleep. We want to have, a quality room where people can feel safe, secure, live in luxury.
And also maximising it to 6, not to 8. So we have to change the planning use to be generous. So we're properly, structurally changing it. Just to give you an idea of the numbers. Purchase price is 312.5 and spending 90 on it to do the refurb, and this will be refinanced at 625,000.